All right, I'm here at SHOT Show 2020 at the Torrent Loading Systems booth, looking at something that was just developed by a couple of ex-military guys and some good engineers up there in Virginia. And so Brad's going to demonstrate that for us. Go ahead, Brad.
Okay, here's the RLS-1 rapid loading system for pistols. Load 3 magazines in here, up to 17 rounds. For any make or model other than FM, you just need to change the base plate if it's not a Glock.
Stop using your left hand.
And Brad, how would you envision using that? Using that for under tactical conditions or something along those lines?
Yes, sir. So police officers and military need to do their job. They need to enter a room with the shield. They need to be They need to be able to reload so they can continue advancing in instead of having to back out to reload, pass the shield to somebody else, whichever. They need to be able to climb a ladder, rappel down a rope. They need to be able to work inside tight spaces like a cave or something like that, a tunnel. They need to be able to use their mic, hold back a canine, whatever they suppress a suspect, whatever they need to do, help their buddy get off the battlefield. They need to be able to return fire instead of stop their job and reload with their hands.
So any single-handed reload condition that you can imagine will be facilitated with it. All right, very good. Thanks a lot.